level. You know, what's his name? The LSD guy, no? Leary was speaking about set and setting. And like, in other words, at some point they figured out that, you know, just because we have these kind of rocket ships that can take your mind out of up to wherever, they actually don't come with a built-in GPS. And you actually need to set intentions, and you actually need to figure out how you're doing it and with who you're doing it and where you're doing it in order for it to work in a certain sense. In other words, it could work. In other words, it has power to do things, you know, just by physical nature, but it doesn't actually do anything interesting if you don't do it in the right way. So it's very important to do things in the right way. Just a very simple example, when I was a kid, I went to Matal Zilba before Purim. I asked him what to do, some kind of question like that. And he said, don't do anything alone. You find some group which you like and just do the thing with them, celebrate with them. And I thought that it was a very silly advice, because I was like this big individualist, like, what are you telling me to go to some party? But it's actually true. And it's especially true if you want to go somewhere real in your mind, like take along a partner, or like figure out the right way. And like in the most literal way that I can say this, it is that you could go and you could take a tour on Purim. And I found this like very sad in some ways. And where to me, you're like, if you have been to the right addresses, if you've seen the right ways of doing this, or at least, you know how to pretend to do it the right way. You know, there's people that are actually doing it, and people at least pretending to do it the right way. You'll see it doing something totally different than what you'll see it doing with people that are doing the same actions, maybe in a totally different way.